So this is a final video in the series. There are three other videos, two parts to the apron front cabinet build, as well as one video for the countertop. So if you haven't seen those yet, please take a look in the playlist here and go take a look at those. And then this video today is going to be the assembly of all the cabinet I built, the countertop I built, and seeing that all come together. So that's what this video here is going to be about. This is the before. You can see the roughing for plumbing there. So he just has a builder grade, wire rack. And nothing over there, so I'm going to pull the baseboard off, which will be kind of fun. And I got a line where I think the countertop's going to end up. And then first things first, we're going to get the upper cabinets installed. Unfortunately, I can't back up a whole lot. Go off a railing here, but you can see that's sort of what we're dealing with initially here. So as you can see, I'm hanging the upper cabinets by myself, and that's why I screwed in the 2x4 to the wall there to give me a level spot to rest the cabinets as I use the cabinet screws to attach the cabinets to the wall. These upper cabinets I bought just in order to save time instead of building them. I was able to find what I needed and order them to save a little bit of time. I just carried up the base cabinet. That was a lot of fun, up 2 flights of steps by myself, but it's here now. So I still need to trim out. I gotta actually get it to sit further back, trim out for the baseboard there in that quarter round. I already ripped out the back baseboard. You can see there. So I'm going to slide this all the way back towards the wall and then put the baseboard back there where you can see it. And then I still have to trim out for the stub out for the plumbing, so for the sink. So I think I'm going to cut that out first, cut a square in the back of here to fit around the plumbing so this can sit all the way flush on the wall, and then I can determine how far to cut the baseboard so it matches up nice on the, so it's sitting all the way flush against the wall but still matches up nicely at the bottom. So that's what we're going for. Next item on the to-do list is cut out for the plumbing. I wanted to do this while the cabinet was up in place. That way I could get the size and location right without guessing back down in the shop. Get a good fit. This actually has to slide to the right a little bit here. Missed the baseboard, so we're going to get all that figured out next. Time for the sink. So, starting to look like something now. Alright, so we haven't done a video update in a while. Here's where we're at. Got the uppers in, got the sink sitting there, got the base cabinets in. Made this one on the left real quick. Seems to fit good. The countertop, we're working on the stain right now. As soon as that's done, I'm going to install. Got the plumbing in as well. See down there, nothing out of the ordinary, nothing too exciting. Put that in. So we need the countertop in, we need the faucet in, and then a few trim pieces, and we're good. So this is one of the exciting parts of this whole project, is seeing everything come together with the countertop, because I haven't even seen the apron front cabinet with the countertop in the same room since I took the cabinet up to install it ahead of the countertop build. So this is really the first time I could see everything put together, and I was really pleased with how it all turned out and how the colors worked together. Here you can see I'm drilling a hole for the faucet into the countertop. Alright, so we got the faucet in. This is now a wrap. The finished product. Turned out really nice. Got the faucet all mounted. Yeah, really pleased with how it turned out. I like the way the wood looks with the white and gray. So after I was done recording, I decided to add some trim at the top. I custom made that trim real quick, and I think it helps complete the overall look. And of course, what remodel video would be complete without a before and after, which you can see here. The before obviously being on the left and the after on the right. So everything turned out really great with this project, and weather has been a little cold here in Maryland, so it was nice to be inside for a little bit. But stay tuned. I do have some more sawmill videos coming up, as well as some more projects.